Hey guys, what's up? Nick here once again. It's my video unboxing and overview of the, I'm probably going to pronounce it wrong, but here we go, Beyerdynamic DT770 Pros. So let's get right into it. Now as you can see, we got a little bit different format here. We got one camera over here and one camera over here. I figured this might be a little bit better for showing more of the product, less of my face, all that stuff. So here's the box. It's nothing too crazy or, imaginative. It's pretty minimalist, which is pretty cool, but I've heard a lot of good things about these headphones. Apparently they're very, very comfortable, obviously extremely good when it comes to sound monitoring and for studio use. So these are more of a professional headphone user. You're going to be using these more in a studio set, more than you will be using it like on a train or through your phone or something like that. Most people using these headphones are going to be using it through some type of mixer or audio converter. I'm using a Behringer, I can never say it right, audio converter from XLR to USB, and that's what I'll be using this headset with to test out for today. So without further ado, let's open it up. So we got a tab on this side here. I'm just gonna open that, flip this, get these out of the way. All right, we've got a lot of little goodies in here. So first of all, let's get, looks like a carrying case of some sort. Hold on, this looks actually really, really nice. Let's get this open. You can see. All right. So from the inside the plastic, I thought it was going to be like a nice kind of pleather type material, but it's actually just a cheap kind of lightweight bag. But it's still cool. They give you this. It even has like a little card in there if you want to put like your name and address and stuff like that, which is pretty nice. It has the Beyerdynamic, but yeah, it's a nice little carrying case if you ever bring it around, I guess, if you're going to other studios or whatnot, or if you do want to use these on the go, which again, not really recommended, but it is a thing. Next, we got a little pamphlet here, experience unique products. So kind of cool. I think the next thing is the headset itself. So we're just gonna slide this all out in one go. So here's the headset, as you can see. Nice. It's really lightweight. I actually was not expecting that after looking at the pictures and whatnot on Amazon. This is from Amazon. If you want to check it out for yourself, I'll have a link in the description below. As always, definitely go check it out. And I think there's different types of cables. I don't remember if it comes with just one or if it is multiple. We'll see. I'm just going to put that on the ground for right now. All right, get that piece of plastic off the headphone wire here. So a couple things right off the bat. One thing I'm not a huge fan of, no detachable headset wires. So if this wire were to break or get frayed, kind of out of luck. You have to get a whole new headset. So that is definitely a downside. I like it when headsets have a detachable wire, so you can get different types if you need to, whether you want like a shorter length. But I do really like this braided coiled cable. So these are like those kind of really elongated wires, but they're coiled up so they're not super, so they don't look long essentially. The only downside of these is the weight. They're a little bit on the heavier side. So they're dangling off your desk. You're gonna feel it in the headset. That is definitely the downside to them. But I do love a coiled cable over a just straight cable any day of the week. It's not braided or anything. It is just a rubber cable, but it does feel like a very high quality rubber. So I don't really see this cracking or like damaging anytime soon. You'd really have to be doing a lot of work to this thing or bringing it on the go. And with this headset, you really shouldn't be doing that anyway. And then on the other side, I think this is a 1/4 inch adapter, if I remember right. So you're gonna have to get some type of adapter if you do want to plug this into a regular headset, like a cell phone or really any MP3 player or something like that. But yeah, this cable that comes with it is a 1/4 inch. Oh, actually, I lied. I think this screws off. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Comes pre-installed. So you just have to screw off the adapter. And you can plug it into any MP3 player or cell phone. So you learn something new right on the go. Look at that. But I do love that it comes with the adapter ready to go, because this is what I'm going to be using with my converter. So let's try it on, see what it feels like. And really quick before I do that, I did disregard there's some instructions in here, but it's headphones. I don't really know why anyone needs instructions for headphones. So yeah, that's it for the box. Nothing too crazy in the box. Pretty empty. Pretty blah. So yeah, let's get into the actual design. So it looks like on the top here we have these buttons through the leather, which is kind of a cool, unique look. I don't know if they actually, ooh, they do unbutton. So as you can see, you can unbutton these. I don't know if this is an aesthetic thing or if this is actually just to replace them if it becomes worn over time, which is kind of cool. I just want to see what it looks like when you, so yeah, you actually can take it fully off and you could replace it if need be. So that is pretty cool. But obviously, we're just going to leave it on for now because I don't have replacement headbands or anything like that. The wires are outside of the headset, which it's kind of a cool aesthetic thing. I get it. It looks more professional. But in my opinion, it's a little bit more of a hassle because it doesn't protect the wires as easily, obviously. So if they're out here, I mean, they're prone to get damaged. They're prone to get pulled out, eaten by animals. So keep that in mind. They do stick out a little bit, but overall it looks pretty cool. But I gotta say, the headset itself, it does feel very premium. I love the feeling of the materials. This is a plastic outer shell. From the pictures, it looked like it could be a metal of some sort, like a metal type, but it is plastic. But I do like the DT770 Pro logo. It looks pretty clean, pretty nice. I love the gray ear cushions. They don't swivel very much, so keep that also in mind. They only swivel about I don't know, 20 degrees. Pretty small swivel, so you're not going to be putting these on around your neck, on your chest very comfortably. But again, these are meant for studio use, so you're probably not going to be doing that much anyway. These are meant for in the studio for audio files, really. But I'm using this mostly for recording purposes and streaming, as you know. Going to the headband, very, very cushiony. Again, this is rated as one of the most comfortable headsets on Amazon right now for studio grade headphones. So that was the main thing I went for, was comfortable. And yeah, so far I haven't even put it on yet, and I can tell these are going to be extremely cushiony, very cozy, very nice. Other than that, mostly all plastics. The headphone adjuster, oh, it's pretty stiff. Okay, I like that. It feels very strong. It does. I know you can hear that. I think it is plastic. This part is metal, a nice aluminum. I don't know if this part up here is metal, but this ring here is plastic. So, you know, plastic and metal, they're not the most durable materials, but it is nice for comfortability, I guess I should say, as well as light. It's a light headset. So that is definitely something off the bat I noticed. It's a very light headset. All right, enough talking, enough blabbering. Let's put these on. This is the left ear cup with the wire, and we got the right on the right side. There we go. Okay, right off the bat, I don't hear anything around me, and I don't have this plugged into anything, so there's no active noise cancellation with these headphones, but my God, there is definitely some noise cancellation just right off the bat, which is really astonishing. Very well done. Cushions are very plush. They do have a little bit of, not a hardness to them, but it's not like super plush to where the speaker is on your ears. I do feel the cushion themselves. I don't feel the speaker crushing my ears, which is nice. I've had that way too many times with other headsets where the cushion is very cushiony, but it's so soft and it's like a memory foam to where the tightness of the headband crushes it against your head, and then the speakers are pressing against your ears. That's just, no one likes that. No one wants that, right? So overall, so far, like, it's very comfortable headset. It's not moving anywhere. I can move my head all day and it's not going anywhere. But yeah, I'm loving the look of these. Again, they feel really nice. Let's plug them in, give us a quick sound test, and I'll be right back and tell you guys what I think. All right, so I spent a couple minutes just listening to some music, going around on my computer, just trying different things, and listening to the headset versus my old pair of headphones, which were the Sennheiser HD598CS. I got them like wrapped around this, but this is what they looked like here. These are my old studio grade headphones. And now I'm definitely, let's just say, first time impression, I'm going to be using these for now on over those. Everything just sounds so crisp, clear. Like, I want to say right now, I'm not an audiophile. I've never claimed to be. I've never really listened to very expensive headphones like $500. You know, these are $160 right now on Amazon, and I gotta say, like, from my experience so far, worth every penny. They're extremely comfortable. They're a little bit, and this might change over time, obviously, but for right out the box, a little bit tight on the head, like squishing to stay on your head. Not a horrible thing though. Like, it's not overly tight on your head like Beats by Dre headphones. I definitely had that before, where they really compressed on your head, but for the most part, extremely comfortable. Again, really nice ear cushions. They look really nice. Nice durable design, lightweight design. Even with the weight of this braided cable, or sorry, coiled cable dangling here next to me, I don't really notice it. Maybe a little bit with movement, but I was kind of worried about that. Not really noticing it at all, so no worries there. Now, when it comes to the sound quality, it's definitely a studio grade sound quality. What I mean by that, very flat sound signature. You're not getting a lot of highs or lows. It's really, really in the mids. Now, this is very good for anybody, again, in a studio format, whether you're making music, you're an audiophile listening to like FLAC material soundtracks, or I guess if you're really like wanting to watch a good movie or something, these would be an amazing sounding headset for that. Now, when it comes to other things like gaming and stuff like that, you're probably going to be looking more for a bassy type sound. You're not going to get much bass out of these headphones. Like, you could probably manipulate some things to like add a bass boost effect with like Adobe Audio program or something like that, which is free, by the way. You can definitely go check it out. I have a separate video about that as well if you'd like to go check that out. But what I'm saying is it's a very out of the box, a flat sound signature. So it's not going to blow you away in terms of its bass or like its loudness or anything like that. I don't know. I'm probably saying gibberish, honestly, if any of you are audiophiles. But what I will say is that you can manipulate the sound any way you want to get pretty much anything you like out of these headphones, because they are an amazing sound signature. Like, it's so crisp, so clear. There were some songs I listened to where there was instruments and stuff I never heard before listening to it through these headphones. So definitely A+, man. They're rocking. I'm loving them so far. But again, this is first impressions, nowhere near a full review, so don't take what I'm saying with a grain of salt. But if you would like to see a full video review on these after like a month or so of use, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do that for you guys, because as you know, we haven't been doing much tech stuff on this channel. I do apologize about that. But as you may or may not know, technology videos, they cost a lot of money to make. I have to buy the products myself. Definitely go check the Amazon link in the description below if you want to go buy a pair for yourself through their Amazon store. Hope you guys have a lovely day. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, share your support as always. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. We'll hopefully see you in the next one. Peace. Hey guys, Nick here once again. Before you click off the video, I do want to give a quick shout out to the people who are part of the Thick Squad for this month. This month's new members are Livin' Here and Thrasher to Black Stallion. I just want to give a special thank you to both of these guys for becoming one of the first ever members to the Thick Squad to support the channel, so thank you guys so very much. Are you maybe curious as to how you can get your name at the end of every video of mine? Well, today is your lucky day. All you have to do is click on the little join button underneath any one of my videos, and you too could join the Thick Squad as low as $2 a month. Any amount helps tremendously towards the support of my channel and keeping me going for future videos. You also do get special perks depending on which tier you choose to partake in, and every single one has a special layer of information to tell you which perks you do get for each tier of the Thick Squad. Thank you guys so much for all your support, and hope you have a wonderful day. Peace out.